Friends, we are going to continue our previous exercise. Question number 4, second part. Evaluate 5 raised to the power minus 1 into 2 raised to the power minus 1. Bracket close into 6 raised to the power minus 1. Solution we can write, first we open the bracket, we can write it 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 6. Now, numerator is multiplied by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator. 1 into 1, 1. 5 into 2, 10. Into 1 upon 6. Now again, numerator is 1, denominator is 10. Numerator is 1, denominator is 6. Numerator is multiplied by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator. Then 1 1 ja 1, 10 6 ja 60 is the answer. This is the answer. Now question number 5. Find the value of m for which 5 raised to the power m divided by 5 raised to the power minus 3 equals to 5 raised to the power 5. Now, we write 5 raised to the power m, this is the solution, divided by, we bring it down, then its sign of its power will be changed, 1 upon 5 raised to the power 3 equals to 5 raised to the power 5. Now you all know, if we change this sign, 5 raised to the power m, we write here into, then the denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. Then here denominator is 5 raised to the power 3 and 1 comes, bring down. There is no need to write the 1 equals to 5 raised to the power 5. Now again here the property is both base are same, then its power will be add. Then its power will be add. All you know, bases are same. 5 raised to the power m plus 3 equals to 5 raised to the power 5. Because a raised to the power m into a raised to the power m equals to a raised to the power m plus n. This property is applied here. Now, I had told you the main property, if the bases are same, here I am telling you, if the bases are same and the powers are different and the sign between them is equals to, then their powers are also same. Look at here carefully. Bases are same. The sign between them is equals to. Then their powers will also be same. Here this property we will use. Bases are same and between them the sign of equal. Then their power will be equate. Then it means m plus 3 equals to 5 plus 3. We bring there m equals to 5. Its sign will be changed. Plus 3. Here minus 3. 5 minus 3, 2. M equals to 2. The value of m equals to 2. This is the answer. The value of, because we have find the value of m. The value of m is 2. Is the answer. Now question number 6. Evaluate. Question is bracket close 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1. Now we have to evaluate it. Solution is, first I had already told you when we changes the numerator and denominator, the sign of the power will be changed. Then we bring the 3 up, 3 minus 4, because the power of sign is 1. There is no need to write here. The power here is 1 because the any number, the power is 1. There is no difference. 3 minus 4 raised to the minus 1. Now 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 raised to the power minus 1. Now we will bring it down. Bring it down, then the sign of this power will be changed. 1 upon minus 1, the whole power 1. There is no need to write the power 1. Is the answer. 1 upon minus 1 is equal to minus 1 is the answer. Now the second part of question number 6. Evaluate. This is the question. 5 upon 8 whole raised to the power minus 7 into 8 upon 5 whole raised to the power minus 4. Now, as you know, we change numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. Then the sign of the power will be changed. We can write it as, now we have did many questions, this type of many questions. We can write it 8 upon 5 whole raised to the power 7. Here we change denominator into numerator and numerator into denominator. Then the sign of the power become changed into, same here, 5 upon 8 raised to the power 4. We can write it 8 raised to the power 7 upon 5 raised to the power 7 into 5 raised to the power 4. 8 raised to the power 4. Because we know A upon B whole power m. We know the property A raised to the power m upon B raised to the power m. Now the bases are same. Bases are same. We bring the denominator 8 up. We can write 8 into 7 minus 4. 5 down. 5, 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, 3. 8 raised to the power 3. Upon 5 raised to the power 3. We can write it 8 upon 5 raised to the power 3. Or 8 raised to the power 3, it means 8 into 8 upon 5 into 5 into 5. Now 8 8 is 64. 64 8 is 512 upon 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. 8 8 is 64, 8 4 is 32, 8 6 is 48. 48 or 351. Yes, right. This is the answer. 512 upon 125 is the answer. Now the question number 7. Simplify. 25 into t raised to the power minus 4. 5 raised to the power minus 3 into 10 into t raised to the power minus 8. Condition is t is not equals to 0. Now, solution. We can write 25, 5 raised to the power 2 into t raised to the power minus 4 upon 5 raised to the power minus 3. We can write 10, 5 into 2 into t raised to the power minus 8. Now, first we see the bases. The bases of Again we write 5 raised to the power 2 into t raised to the power minus 4. 5 raised to the power minus 3, 5 raised to the power 1. Here the power is 1. The base are same, power will be at minus 3 plus 1 into 2 into t raised to the power minus 8. 5 raised to the power 2 into t raised to the power minus 4. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. 5 raised to the power minus 2 into 2 into t raised to the power minus 8. Now here the bases are same, 5 and t. Then we can write it. We bring it up, 5 raised to the power 2 plus 2, because this is minus 2. When we bring it up, it will become plus 2. Then 5 into 2 into 5 into 2. 5 2 plus 2. Same here for t. When we bring it up, then the bases are same, into t raised to the power 8 minus 4 upon 2. Because when we bring it up, the sign of the power will be plus. Now this is 5 raised to the power 4 into t raised to the power 4 upon 2. 5 raised to the power 4. 5, it means 5 multiplied by 4 times. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125. 125 into 5, 625. Then we can write here 625 into t raised to the power 4 upon 2 is the answer. Now, question number 7, part 2. 3 raised to the power minus 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 raised to the power minus 7 into 6 raised to the power minus 5. Now we have to solve it. First of all, we bring the negative power down and bring the negative powers up. We bring denominator up and numerator down. Then we can write it solution. 5 raised to the power 7, because minus 7, when we bring it up, it becomes plus 7 into 6 raised to the power 5 into 125 upon 3 raised to the power 5 into 10 raised to the power 5. Clear? 3 raised to the power minus 5, when you bring it down, 3 raised to the power plus 5. Here it is 10 raised to the power 5. Now, we can break it 6 and 125 and 10. How? Look here. 125 we can write it 5 raised to the power 3. Because 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. Into 5 raised to the power 7 into 6 raised to the power 5. We can write it 2 into 3 raised to whole power 5. 2 3s are 6. Whole power 5. Now, 3 raised to the power 5 into, we can break it 10, 2 into 5. 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10 raised to the power 5. Understand? Now, here we use the property. Which property? A into B whole power m. We can write it A raised to the power m into B raised to the power m. So I write here 5 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 7 into 2 raised to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 5 upon 3 raised to the power 5 a b whole power m into 2 raised to the power 5 into 5 raised to the power 5. Now we can cut 2 raised to the power 5, 2 raised to the power 5, same number. 3 raised to the power 5, 3 raised to the power 5, same number. Now we can write it 5 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 7 upon 5 raised to the power 5. We use property 5 raised to the power 3 plus 7 minus 5. We can 7 plus 3, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 5 raised to the power 5 is the answer. 5 raised to the power 5 is the